All right, looky at this. This is the Looki AI little camera. It's a wearable camera that's supposed to capture just like your own story, your life, and make it into a video. And also we have a little safety case with the cord here. But we're gonna unbox this. Welcome to the unboxing channel, where that's what we do, unbox. So yeah, AI lifelong, it says right there. Open that up. Time is an illusion. Recording makes it feel real. Albert Einstein and Looki. All right, so let's take this out. There's some cords and stuff there, but then we have the Looki camera. Almost like a body camera, I guess. You just kind of wear it and it just records your day, records your travels and stuff. So there is the little camera. This is not a video kind of showing you, how it's going to look. Just unboxing and first impressions. Here's some buttons there on the side. And charging on the back. So, quick start guide. Assuming there's an app to download. Here is the plastic bits that I struggle with typically. So USB-C, there must be a charging case here somewhere. Some stickers as well. Here we go. So this is like a lanyard that you can wear, but it also, it also charges. So you'd plug this in here, put your unit on there to charge, or just wear it as a lanyard when you're capturing things. And it looks like a sticker, like a adhesive bit that you could put on maybe to make it more comfortable to wear. So there's that. Pretty cool. I'm excited to try it out. See what the AI story comes up with. And here is the safety case. Needing some extra protection, here is the silicone case, soft case. But like you can hold it like that, I guess, if you want to just get some quick shots, little wrist strap. But I do like, actually you could still keep that on there, and I mean, I guess you'd have a lot of extra protection there, but yeah, that looks really good. So I assume you take this part off here. Looks like you pull this off and it's adhesive, and that would go on the back. So that's it. That's what it looks like unboxed. Hopefully you enjoy, and stay tuned for more.